from the newsroom, the stronghold and pillar of the nation. This is the TRHS News. And I am Ayesha May Talanto. In just 3 minutes, we'll deliver fact worthwhile news. And we bring you the weather news. Good morning, everyone. Here's an update on the low pressure area east of Mindanao. It has developed in a tropical depression Ada, the first storm of 2026. Pag-asa has located tropical depression Ada at over 700 km east of Davao International Airport. It packs maximum sustained winds of up to 44 km per hour. Based on the initial data from Pag-asa, Ada will approach and bring rain to the Caraga region in eastern Visayas in coming days. Residents of Bicol, especially those near Mayon volcano, should also prepare from the storm. There is an increased risk of flooding, landslide, and lahar flow. The may make landfall in eastern Visayas on Friday or Saturday, after which it will change course and move away from the country. The areas affected by tropical depression Ada include eastern Visayas, Davao region, Caraga, Camiguin, Misamis Oriental. Aside from the storm, other parts of the country may also experience rain due to the northeast monsoon or Amihan and East Risk, according to Metro Weather's rainfall forecast. Parts of Cagayan Valley region, southern Leyte, Caraga, Davao region, Saksagan, and BARMM will see rain in the coming hours. Bicol is particularly at risk of the heavier flow as well as other hazards like landslide and flooding. What should Bicol residents do at this time? Truth be told, Bicol is often in the path of storm. You can prepare emergency kits or coordinate with your local government units with Mayon volcanoes activity. Coinciding with tropical depression, Ada Bicol residents are in a very difficult situation. Here are the videos showing the height of floods in some areas across the Philippines and someone of people and affected that we have interview. Good morning, Miss Cabral. Can I ask you something? What will you do when tropical depression Ada will landfall in Bicol?
What will I do is prepare for the coming storm. I will listen to the news for updates on the coming storm. I will also prepare supplies for us to eat during the storm and after it. If we get flooded, we will evacuate to the evacuation center. And that's all I will do.
Thank you, Ms. Cabral, for this interview. Update on Mayon as tropical depression Ada intensifies. Residents of Inubatan, Albay have experienced lahar flow that has caused extensive damage in the area. We must all cautious of upcoming disaster and always keep emergency kits ready, along with bags for personal belongings and non-perishable food items. Let us all stay safe every single day.